guys, welcome to Mimi Dip. And so now the part 2 was actually the cameras were hot, but also the mic was off. That was literally the most baddest thing of my life. And then we got this toy thingy in the bathroom, so we unboxed it last for part 1 and part 2, the beautiful girl. And I probably was playing on it, then the shell just broke. That was incredible. Clapping hands. Okay, so now a designer, now she looks like a mermaid. Off. Okay, so now she's back to normal. Looks like this is my best friend. So I miss my mommy's best friend because she was nice. So we got all the dolls here. So the VIP doll is up on the house, but the entrance is blocked, so I had to go in the road entrance. But I'm not going to do that because that will waste all my time because the camera will get hot. So I played a little bit. I want to get her pearl. Yeah. Now where's her dress? There is her dress. Whew. So let me get you guys a tour because later in the end of the video we're gonna give you guys a tour. So now here is the girl that came in the set. As you can see, she's beautiful. She's curly hair, and it has the bathtub and the battery inside. Oh my! I'm just gonna put this. There we go. And then so now got the table. As you can see, it's really beautiful with a beautiful girl shampoo, and we got a golden shower. That's nice. And also some designs too. A rubby ducky. And so now, let's take all the stuff out. I accidentally put my ring inside the set, so yeah. So now here are the 2 purple shoes. It's really beautiful and my favorite color. Wait, let's start the rainbow, okay? So now here are some perfectly pink shoes. I think, okay. So here are some perfectly yellow shoes. As you can see, it's really designed it, but sorry. She designed a swirl in the heels. And then so now we got our bright green shoes. Let's put them over here. The better thing is they have these dots and these strip down, so the dolls' feet can fit. Let's play Took a Life World next time. And then we got these little purple high heels too, flowers in the back. That's pretty nice, my favorite color. Put them right here. Perfectly. So now I got our dark pink high heels. It's very pretty. And also, looks like a sea high heel. And so now, so now we got our pink high heels. I mean, not the pink high heels. This is not a high heels, so yeah. Let's put the pink high heels over here. So now we got lastly, the pink flowery high heels. Yeah. Ow! Hit the camera. Okay, so now I put my ring in here to design it. So yeah, I'm just gonna design it with my ring. So now we got these beautiful purses. I'm just gonna put these purses up here. Maybe they should hang over here, I think. Let's just put this down here for safety. It's waterproof because it's plastic. So now we got out the for a string here thingy. So now we got this spray for spraying in the mirror and then cleaning it. And so now we got this shampoo bottle. And we got this shaving hair thingy. We got the hair dry. Okay, so now I got a little comb and the broken scissors and the part 1. There was no mic. Okay, guys, let's do this. Here's our bow mirror, and I really love the blue diamond, and it spells beautiful girl. I don't wear my ring on. I don't want to. So here's the girl that came in the set. And so now, let's pull all my dolls out. I only bring like 3 dolls down here because Anna and Elsa doesn't like pretty much bubble baths because Anna and Elsa loves the cold places. So because she and Anna and Elsa actually today it's really hot, so I also don't want to come down here because yeah, of course. So now got Fairy. Fairy is the VIP person. So let's take her to coming a bath time. Let's start a bath time. Woohoo! Yeah. There we go. So now let's put the treat up there. So now, let's turn on the shaving water. It's really loud. Turn on. That was loud. That was really, really loud. Oh my goodness. Here's your drain. And so now she's gonna take a shower in it. It's really hard to control dolls. That's my answers. Wash, wash, wash. It can't reach her toes. Oh my goodness, this is embarrassing. Wash, 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 wash. Pop, 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 pop. I always do this to my grandma. It's like a puppet. Okay, so now she's gonna wash her hair now. So now she's gonna wash her hair. Which way? Sideways. Here it is. Let's put the head over here, and then so now wash her hair. This is my question. Washing your hair makes it really smelly. Oh. Wash, 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 wash. Oh, no. The hair tie is going off. I think we just don't need a hair tie. The hair tie is actually doomed. The hair tie is doomed. The hair tie is broken. Let's just get that hair tie off. I think we don't need the hair tie because, yeah. Almost. And so now she's gonna put the bubbles in here. And then stand up. The ceiling is too bottomly. And so now she's sitting down. She drank all the bubble water. So now she's gonna take the shower. Turn it on. Okay, but bye-bye, guys. See you in the new house part video. Bye!